Why are European cosmetic products the safest that you can buy? Well, because the European cosmetic legislation is the strictest in the whole world. There is, for instance, a restriction on more than 2,000 ingredients which can either not be used or must be restricted in the formulations. And also for every product, a product information file must exist. And in this product information file, there must be full safety assessment which is made by an accredited toxicologist, for instance. Also, every product, before it's put on the market, must be notified in a central notification portal. This is not the case necessarily in other countries. Also, the marketing of cosmetic products is restricted. You cannot make certain claims. There are rules about all these things. So the European cosmetic legislation protects the user of the product, but it also very strictly protects animals, because animal testing has not been allowed for many, many years, not on the cosmetic products, but also not on the ingredients for products put on the European markets.